Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very well. Today guys I have shared with you crochet pillow design, sophisticated designs है। होप कि आप लोगों को टोटल डिज़ाइन पसंद आ रहे होंगे। लाइक करिएगा, कमेंट करिएगा, शेयर करिएगा with me amazing gorgeous video. You got many ideas from this video and share it with your friends and family members. So friend, this video is very beautiful and amazing design show to you people in it. If you guys are interested in my videos, you get many ideas from this video and share it with your friends and family members. These pillows designs it's so festive and elegance. You get many ideas from this video and share it with your friends and family members. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friends till inshallah. Wishes I like our videos. If you want any videos related to any pattern, so इस तरह के अमेजिंग से क्रानी स्क्योर्स में एंड डिफरेंट आप लोगों को शेप्स में ये दिखाए गए हैं पेलोस. It's so amazing and gorgeous videos. You got many ideas from this video and share it with your friends and family members. And these pillows, it's sophisticated and elegant. You got many ideas from this video and share it with your friends and family members. I hope कि आप लोगों को इस तरह के अमेजिंग से pillows पसंद आ रहे होंगे. लाइक करिएगा, कमेंट करिएगा, शेयर करिएगा with new amazing gorgeous ideas. So friend, this video is so festive. So I requested all of you to subscribe to my channel first and also make sure to follow, be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing design show to you people in it. If you guys are interested in my videos, you get very ideas from this video and share it with your friends and family members. So friends, this video is so festive and elegant designs. So let's go inshallah. फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में लेटेस्ट आइडियाज़ के साथ, लेटेस्ट न्यू अमेजिंग एंड गॉर्जियस वीडियोस के साथ. You get many ideas from this video. If you want any videos related to any patterns, so thanks for watching our videos. Thanks once again. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. See you later for more attractive